Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to this video. Just an update. Yesterday, I forgot to close out a few of my options, and because of that, we had some good results. So check out this clip. I bought a put option right here, and it started to drop, so I sold, and I was down, I think I had like 980 bucks, something like that. It was pretty low, and I thought, okay, well, I'm gonna buy a call option, and that would not have panned out good. I was filming it while I bought the call option, and then I finished the video and totally forgot about it. Came back this evening, and it had climbed, so we were up big time. And then at the last push of the day, it dropped. We bought call options, it shot up, and closed my account with 1,004 paper dollars. Not real money, you know, paper trading. That's why it's PM. First day, trade options landed up $1,004. Okay, welcome back. So we are here on QQQ. I'm gonna keep messing with this. I'm gonna keep trying to learn this. And so that is what I am doing today. We're on the 1 minute chart. We're looking for some options to pick out here. I scaled out on this to the 5 minute chart and drew some other trend lines just to see where this could go. I think we could have a pullback today. Not really sure yet. And so just going to kind of watch this for a few minutes. I'm telling myself not to trade in the first 15 minutes. It looks so very interesting that I want to. So I'm going to. So we're going to buy two options at the market price right here because it's taken off. We're going to buy in as it's moving, and we'll see what happens. So yesterday we were down quite a bit. Whenever I stopped trading in the morning, I had forgotten that we had some options still open. And then when I came back in the evening, I was showing my son. He wants to learn this kind of stuff, so we're sort of learning together. I opened up my Webull account, and it said that our total account value was $2,004, which would be up over our initial $1,000 starting price point. We're way up, you know. And then I realized, oh, this is $1,000 over what we started with in the day. So if this was real money, it would have been a giant mistake that I accidentally made to make it work. I mean, it was a mistake in that I didn't mean to do it, but it worked out in my favor. And in doing that, we ended up walking away with $1,000 day. So 100% gain on the day. And now we're back in it. There's a lot of sell pressure, but there's more buy pressure, it looks like, than there is sell pressure currently. Let's see where we're going with it. Already down on the day, $18. Not too worried about that. Now, while this thing works, I'm going to kind of explain my thought process here. Is that I follow a lot of traders here on YouTube as well as on other platforms that are able to call out trades with options and with stock, and they just know what is happening, which is really incredible to me because and they're consistent. They're super consistent with their gains, and it just makes me think they know something. They've learned something. This is a learnable skill. If it wasn't a learnable skill, then nobody on Wall Street would be making money doing this. So it has me thinking, like, there's got to be a way to do this, to learn the system, learn the process, learn the stock market, and be able to succeed at it. Currently, right now, we're up $68, which is 15%. I'm going to close this position and sell at market. Place that, close. We are closed. So we're up $68 on the day. That's 15%. So we're at $2,072. And I'm going to wait for another entry point. I'll come back to my story in a second. And I think we're about to be overbought. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in a put option, 2 levels in the money. I'm going to buy 2 of them. Oops, I want to buy those, not sell them. I want to buy, put, market. So what I'm saying is it seems like there's a way to do this, right? That it's a learnable skill. People do it every day professionally. I just have to learn the process. I want to learn over the next 3 months, 90 days or so. I'm just going to dive into it and learn this so that I can do it myself with real money and enjoy that, enjoy this process. What's great is with the paper trading, which is what I'm doing. If you're not familiar, I'm paper trading right now. With the paper trading, I'm able to ensure that I don't actually lose money when I make a stupid move because I'm still learning. Highly recommend that if you are going to try this out, that you do this with paper money, that you don't use actual real money when you're starting, just so that you learn and you don't ultimately lose your money. I have a video that I posted a few years ago in 2020. I made I started out with $1,000. Within a couple of weeks, I built that up to 7,000 or 8,000, and then in one day I lost all of it because the stock market took a different turn. And with options, it's really easy to lose all of your money really fast. Just trying to learn the process and make sure I don't do that again. As I'm looking at this, I probably should have held those call options. Hindsight is 2020. You can only see the whole picture once you're looking back at it. I think it's going to, what I'm thinking, okay, is it's going to hit this this line that I drew up here, this high point line, or get close to it, and then drop back. And so we'll see if that's correct. I drew that line pre-market based off of the 5-minute interval. You can actually see it's just a bigger picture of what it did yesterday on the 1-minute chart. So right here on my screen, that's the 1-minute chart from yesterday. So it pinched up to that ascending wedge or that ascending flag, and then it dropped down. And so I sort of think that that's what it's going to do on the 5-minute window. Let's look at that 5-minute window, and we might have a couple more days to go before it actually does that. You can see it's about to hit that that high point there. Let's scroll back so you can kind of see where I drew my flag from. Yeah, I think it's going to hit and then pull back. Or whenever you scroll out to the 30-minute interval, that's where you see that bottom line there. That's where I drew that from. See this right here, going up. On the 30-minute window, it's got that ascending. Now, I am making these videos throughout the day. After I'm done making the video, I go back and I reanalyze what I've been doing to see, just to kind of see if I was correct, looking at other stocks and how they play out. I'm also looking at the call outs from other traders that I follow to see if the stocks they're calling out, when they call them out, if they are doing the same thing. Are they drawing things out or analyzing a certain way? I'm just trying to break through, right? Success leaves clues. And so I'm just trying to get those clues, just trying to figure out what the move is with all of this. I'm up $22, 5.37%. So I think I'm going to close this out. Profit for the day is $112. Not too bad. Very happy with that. It's, I mean, ultimately 5% or so of my account started yesterday with 1,000 and closed out today with 2,116. So not bad. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I hope it was helpful. I'm going to continue doing this every day. If you're interested in this, make sure to subscribe, give a like. Just learning the process, learning how it's done. Hopefully this has been helpful. I'll see you on the next video.